they're just on Coochiemudlo Island. We've done a few houses on this island and in the street. This one's gone nice and high up off the ground, so they've got some nice little views of the ocean. This is also the first time we've used a SuperSpan flooring system. So there's bearers and joists that are all in plane. So that means they, only one level. And they've got these little clip systems that make it easy to join the bearers and the joists together. And they just kind of little tags that unclip or fold out, and then you put the screws through it. So you get a much clearer span. They've already got the holes for the services pre-punched as well, so you can run all your plumbing and electrical inside the floor system. Makes it nice and neat. It's quite light, but it's very sturdy. And it's all been manufactured and cut to the right shape and size in the factory and gets delivered to site ready to go. They've also used screw piers on this site. So underneath these concrete pads there's a screw pier, and then there's just like a little collar on top of concrete, and then we bolt the posts onto those. So great system. And then you've got the bracing underneath, which is equal angle bracing. So we'll have a look through this one. It's a nice little colonial style. Got a great big deck at the back here, and they're using the Secura floor, which gets tiled. So great big area out here. There's the living area. 2.4 meter doors off here with 2.7 meter high ceilings in the living areas. Laundry. The master bedroom's on this side here. So master bedroom with access out to the balcony. Walk through robe, ensuite, and then over here you've got the second and third bedrooms. So the roof's on, windows and doors are here ready to, we've got half them in, ready to start on the cladding.